Okay, let's go. Now, one thing you should know. This place ain't a walk in the park. And, to be brutally honest, the shield charge won't do much. And it won't really help you, if I'm being honest. Wear it by all means, but it won't help you. Not much, anyway. You need some kind of miracle. It takes ages to upgrade. That's why it's better when you use it in challenge mode. It's much better in challenge mode, trust me. Anyway. Gone. See, it is done a lot. It has got a lot. It's got enough on it. Play it through the level and it will upgrade. There's no doubt that it won't.
Ratchet, you're going to need the Terror guys up ahead. Security is airtight, so it won't be easy.
Fire.
These robot Tyranoids are smarter than they used to be.
Work. It's not really firing too fast, is it? It's doing some. Is it doing anything? Probably not. Right, here goes. Gadgets. Let's go. Boink. Hell. Nice. This is a fire drill. I need you to activate that elevator immediately, then proceed to the nearest swimming pool and throw yourself in. How do I know I can trust you? You are a squishy after all. Okay. Could one Tyranoid lie to another? Only if his lips were moving. Oh. That's smart. I'm not sure I like your tone. I must report your behavior to the authorities if you do not let me pass. You're going to be passing through my bowels if you are still standing here in 5 seconds. Yeah, these take a lot longer than the other ones, but they are quite funny. Alright, no need to get violent. I'll just phone Dr. Nefarious and let him know he won't be getting his massage today. I'm terribly sorry for holding you back, friend. Please proceed. Say hi to Dr. Nefarious for me. Yeah, please proceed. Come on, how you get in there, though? Whoa! Okay, that would be scary. What if I do go now? Okay, nothing. I thought I was dead. How do you get in there, though? I had to remember, there's the titanium bolts there. How do you get to it? Is it round, or...? No, not quite. I can't remember how you get in there. Oh, bulls. Oh well, no matter. Not too bad, because I get to upgrade this a little bit more and stuff. It's not too bad. As my call goes up. I just want to remember how to get in there. I can't remember for the life of me how to get in. There we go. Oh yeah, it's only 2 more and it's done. Attack is as high as it can go in this version of the game. The non-challenge mode. Oh yeah, you're gone. You're gone. I mean, you dead. I mean, you bad. How'd you get in there? Jesus. Oh right, yeah. got it. Oh yeah, I got a trophy because I got titanium. I got every single piece of titanium in the game. So I got the titanium collector trophy. How cool is that? I know, it's pretty awesome. Now you want to switch to the Tira guys. Hello. Hello. Square. Triangle. X. Triangle. Circle. Excuse me, sir. Lawrence doesn't like the colour of this force field. He says it clashes with his trousers and he wants it deactivated immediately. Nice try, Squishy. No, I heard a rumour about a Lombax creeping around here disguised as a Tyranoid. How the hell would you know that? As brilliant as your information is. That was perfect. Ah, that's a good one. That Lombax must be incredibly brave. Incredibly stupid. Is that some kind of Halloween costume you're wearing? No. Ha ha! Look, if you let me through, I'll loan you my Amoeboids Gone Wild holovid disc. Director's cut. Of course, you won't believe what those slimy co-eds will do when the cameras are rolling. You got yourself a deal. I knew he was going to say that. How did I know that? That's how I knew that. Right. Got the shield charger. I put on the plasma coil and get prepared and be prepared. It's going to get nasty. For them.
This weapon upgrade features a
lock-on mod. Yes, I know.
To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
It's funny, we've been through this like a billion times already. This new upgrade features a lock-on mod with every single weapon. I think the trophy is somewhere around here. Or is that the next level? It might be the next level. Ooh. Gotta kill things. Just wanna get extra bolts. 17,000 bolts. Oh, nice. That is nice. Is up there? No, I'm sure it's somewhere around here. Maybe it's the next area. Yeah, maybe it is. I think it is. Yeah, it must be. This upgrade features it. Yeah, it's up here. I know it is. I know where it is. It's not too cleverly hidden, but it's clever enough to fool some people. Just get up there and fire. Roughly twice. Oh shit. This makes things a little trickier. Yeah, it's over there. Right at the start of this area. It can easily miss it, trust me. It's not your fault if you do miss it, because it's quite easy. Because there's a ladder right here, you won't see it immediately. Ah, there you go. And this should be the Lawrence. Yep, that's Lawrence. Thought so. That means we have got every trophy. Well, the original trophies, the character ones. Now we just got to get all the skill points. Which won't be too difficult. There's only 2 left. Is there 2? Oh no, wait, shit, infecting things. Oh crap, yeah. We'll probably get round to doing that. Quite soon, actually. I'll do it when I come in here. Oh, what am I doing? Ah! Yeah, these won't be easy. As you've learnt from past experiences, they never are, but... This one especially, no. Give me 1 green. There we go. How many do I need? I need a 10 again. Go, go, go. I thought I destroyed you. Come on. Oh, thank God. Okay. The next one, it's another 10. Yeah, you think these are hard. These aren't hard compared to the ones in the Insomniac Museum. These are a cakewalk. I have done the ones in the Insomniac Museum once, and I mean once only. I'm not good at them. and they are just insane. I could probably, some of them I couldn't figure out, so no, what? No, you can't do that. Bullshit. It's not bullshit, it's actually very easy, but bullshit. Oh yeah, done. Right, I'm gonna get the infector out. It's probably a stupid idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Probably gonna kill me, don't care.
The infector fires nanovirus globules that infect enemies on contact. Infected enemies will attack and infect other enemies until the infection wears off.
It's very easy to... Wow. Really? I never use it once, and then I use it... attempt once. Here, and it works. That's incredible. That's actually incredible. How the hell did that work?
Enemies hit by the infector will continue taking damage until the infection wears off. Hitting an enemy with multiple infector shots will make the infection last longer.
Brilliant. Okay, this is the place to do it. If you want to get infector upgraded, this is it. This is where you do it. Oh wow, I'm on 99. Nanotech, I didn't even realise that. I've infected these guys before, so it'll be pointless to do it again. We need to, if you infect them once, it won't do the same amount of nanotech and all of them. Half the skill points, you just do that. That's still impressive. I can't believe it, that works that quickly. It does half of it, that's brilliant. Oh well, not too surprising I suppose. Right, see you in the next part.